Welcome to the renewed heart of our community, Canyon Creak Country Club. We've had an exciting year of transformation, and we thought it would be helpful to share the progress and give you a sneak peek into what is still ahead.
To begin with our recent transformations, we've added 10 new pickleball courts with a pickleball viewing deck area being completed this fall. Experience smoother gameplay on our newly resurfaced courts 11, 12, and 13. Beginning in October, we will complete resurfacing of the tennis courts 1 through 10. For those who seek solace, our tennis patio awning has been given a fresh new touch, and evenings at Canyon Creek are now brighter. Our outdoor tennis courts now feature state-of-the-art LED lights.
The pool area? Totally reimagined. Dive into relaxation with the new deck, stylish furniture, updated cabanas, a new bar area, and refreshed restrooms.
Our golf course, we're re-envisioning it from tee to green. A championship style awaits with a plethora of enhancements that will promise to elevate your golfing experience. When complete, this will be an entirely new golf course for our membership.
We can't forget our younger members. They are sure to get excited about exploring the Treehouse, a dedicated kids club to enrich their Canyon Creek experience. Fitness enthusiasts, gear up for a world-class center featuring techno gym equipment, specializing golf fitness zones, a refreshed group fitness space with an expanded class schedule, and more. A culinary renaissance is underway, relocated and redesigned with an ode to the Four Oaks outdoor dining experience. Our lobby area will also get a refresh at this point as well. And finally, bridging golf and racket sports, a combined check-in and shopping hub, a first in Invited's portfolio. Canyon Creek is not just a club, it's a community. Together, let's embrace our club's new chapter. Thank you for being a part of this journey. We look forward to another great season ahead.